kung hindi ka nagiging successful sa business mo, if you weren't a powerful, wealthy woman that you deserve and that you are, sa tingin mo ba mamahalin ka talaga ni Hayden Ko?
Alam mo, medyo mahirap yung question na yan kasi kasama na rin sa package, di ba? This is what I am.
Yeah.
And so how can I say that if that wasn't me, I don't know, di ba? Kasi hindi na ako yun kung wala ako nun.
Right.
Diba?
It's like saying, yung pagiging successful mo ay isang attractive feature mo. Dahil successful ka, alam natin na matalino ka, ambitious ka, you're a powerful, you're a very successful, driven woman, and that is an attractive quality na anyone can have. So that's a very good answer. Let me ask you this though. Did you ever feel na Hayden or any of your past boyfriends were gold diggers?
Definitely not Hayden. Not because he really never asked for anything. He never took advantage of me, which he could have a lot. And he never did. In fact, he was trying to match me, di ba? If I give him something,
right.
Actually, talaga nagbibigay ng regalo, laging sa surprise. So, I have never felt that Hayden was a gold digger.
Again,
pero yung past boyfriend ko bago kay Hayden, oo, yun.
Gold digger but before Hayden. All right, but it's something that I want to add also here, no, Dr. Bello, is nakikita ko rin si Hayden. I know how he treats you and how you treat him. And ako rin, never have I felt that Hayden was like that. He was very generous with his gifts. Namimigay siya ng mamahal na expensive na gifts sa'yo. And he never looked the type. And I know now, dahil break na kayo, sumasoli din siya ng mga gamit na binigay.
Sinoli niya yung kotse.
Yeah.
Na sinabi ko, wag mo nang isoli kasi okay lang sa akin. Because after all, it's a gift.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako the type to make hatag bawi and shit, di ba? Get it back. But he insisted when I was in the States last trip, pag uwi ko, nandun na sa garahe yung car.
Tama.
And sinabi niya sa note na, I didn't deserve this car. I will feel better if please accept it back. Parang it's my way, parang to show my sincerity and my sacrifice that I want to change. I'm giving you back.
Speaking of deserving, does Hayden Co deserve a second chance in your heart in a relationship with Dr. Bello? May second chance ba para kay Hayden?
I don't know. What do you think?
You know what I think? I will tell you this honestly. I've seen how sorry Hayden is. Nakikita ko din sa mukha niya, sa actions niya. He's so sorry for what he did. Tapos, alam ko din yung ginawa niya hindi naman unique sa kanya. It's something that happens a lot, whether sa industry na to or sa totoong buhay lang. I think all of us one time may have cheated. I know I have not always been the faithful boyfriend also. And we all got a second chance. May second chance kami. Almost everyone had a second chance. And I see how sorry he is. I see how he's proving it. I think he might deserve another chance for you, but this is your call. Sa palagay mo, kaya mo ba magbigay ng isa pang chance para kay Hayden Ko?
I think everybody deserves a second chance. All I can say is though that, and I think this is a lesson for everybody. In my life, the reason I've been successful is because I always give it all up to God. I always say, God, bahala ka na sa akin. And it always comes out well, except sa love life ko. Doon matigas ang ulo ko. Doon gusto ko lagi, ako namimili, ako nagde-decide kung sino, and medyo palpak ako doon. So ngayon, sinasabi ko na in front of everybody, God, bahala na po kayo maghanap ng tamang lalaki para sa akin.
I think he deserves a second chance. That's my opinion. Last question, Dr. Bello.
One na yun.
I know, but last add-on. Because this is very interesting. Being Vicky Bello, the Doctor of the Stars, one of the more powerful women in our industry, what's the worst part about being you? Yung part na parang, it's nice to be Vicky Bello, pero ayoko talaga dahil Vicky Bello ako.
The hardest part about being me is that many people, and Hayden's not one of them, but many people try to take advantage of me. And I feel really, really bad kasi naman nandito ako para tulungan ng mga tao to be the best they can be, the best versions of themselves.
Yeah.
And I also talagang am sincere in wanting to make the Philippines a cosmetic surgery capital for people to fly here and medical tourism. And parang naniniwala ako na lahat ng tao mabait at walang gagawin masama sa akin. Pero maraming beses ako nasasawi. Tama ba yun? Kasi medyo talagang when you find out na parang sincere mga tao tapos they're taking advantage of you lang pala.
Must be very hard. Thank you very much, Dr. Vicky Bello, for your honesty. At ang trust mo dito sa Showbiz Central na mag-live interview kasi for months now, we've been, everybody's trying to get you to get on their show, and I want to thank you from, really, for this segment, for this show. As friends, maraming salamat talaga for being here.
I trust only you, to ask me live.